What holds your cells together and decides what gets in or out? Meet the phospholipid, your body's natural gatekeeper. At RASAI Nutrie, we are dedicated to helping you understand the vital role of phospholipids in your health one molecule at a time. Phospholipids are special fat molecules that form the fundamental structure of all cell membranes. Thanks to their dual nature, both hydrophilic and hydrophobic phospholipids are amphipathic. This helps them self-assemble into a lipid bilayer. Phospholipids come in two main types, glycerophospholipids and sphingophospholipids. Glycerophospholipids have a glycerol backbone, two fatty acids, a phosphate group, and a polar head group like choline, ethanolamine, or serine. Common types include phosphatidylcholine, phosphatidylcholine, and phosphatidylserine, which are abundant in brain, nerve, and red blood cell membranes. They also play key roles in cell signaling, membrane fluidity, and lipid transport. Sphingophospholipid is based on sphingosine, an 18-carbon amino alcohol. When combined with fatty acids, they form ceramide, a molecule vital for cell signaling and skin barrier. The most prominent sphingophospholipid is sphingomyelin, which is commonly found in the plasma membranes of animal cells, especially in the myelin sheath surrounding nerve fibers. They contribute to membrane structure, cell recognition, and signal transduction. Why phospholipids matter? Phospholipids play a vital role in maintaining gut health by supporting the integrity of the intestinal lining and protecting against inflammation. They assist in the digestion and absorption of dietary fats by forming emulsions, ensuring efficient nutrient uptake. They regulate membrane proteins, help transmit signals, transport fats, insulate nerves, and even support immunity and skin health. From brain to skin, phospholipids are vital players in your body's biology. Phospholipids form your cells, but what about the fats that give you energy and impact your heart? Stay tuned for our next video on triglycerides and cholesterol.